With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this problem, it is saying that two simple pendulum have length L and it is 25 L by 16, and at t is equals to 0, they are in same phase. After how many oscillations of the smaller pendulum will they be bigger again in phase for first time? So here we have given two different pendulum with the length L and 25 by 16L. So let's calculate here first of all their time period. So if I write here time period for simple pendulum, that can be written as 2 pi under root of L upon G. So here in solution I can write that L1 is given L and L2 is given 25 upon 16 L. Now here from equation first, since we can write that since time period it is proportional to root of L, so from here I can write that T1 and T2 ratio, that will be here under root of L1 upon L2. So these are the ratios of their corresponding length. So if we put here their value here, so I will get here T1 over T2, that will be here L over 25 L over 16. So this will get cancelled out, and from here I will get T1 upon T2, that will be here, we can see very easily, that is 4 by 5. So this will be the ratio of the time period. So if I take the LCM of T1, this is T1 and T2, that will be here 20. Now these are the LCM of T1 and T2. Now if we calculate the number of oscillation, so for this number of oscillation performed by first pendulum performed by first pendulum, because this is the common time period for both at which they will comes in same phase. So here we have to calculate the number of oscillation performed by first only according to the problem. So we are just here performing only the first one. So performed by first pendulum here. So this will be here, this T will be equal to N T naught. So here we have given the common time period, that is 20. This is equal to N. So here this common time period LCM, we can say T naught, or here let's say this is not, this is T naught and this is T1. So here T1 we have here 4. So if I put here their corresponding value, N will comes out to be 5. That means the first pendulum will perform 5 oscillation while it will under in same phase with respect to the second pendulum. So this will be our final answer of this given problem. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.